verbs. Run, run. You can run like a lion. Walk, walk. You can walk like a cat. Walk. Jump, jump. You can jump like a kangaroo. Swim, swim. You can swim like a fish. Read, read. You can read your favorite book. Dance, dance. You can dance on your favorite music. Write, write. You can write on any topic. Throw, throw. You can throw a ball. Throw. Sing, sing. It's time to repeat action verbs. Let's learn together. Run, walk, jump, read, sing, write, swim, throw, dance,